first time you had sex was just a couple of months ago.
Yes.
Yeah. And so, how was it like?
It was fantastic.
Yeah. You think you'll ever have sex again, or was that it for this life?
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, you wanted some more? Oh, yeah. Were you nervous?
At first,
Yeah.
my best friend, I asked how, sex feels and all that. So I lost my virginity to her.
Oh, and other than obviously enjoying the sex, do you have any feelings for her?
We're actually best friends.
Oh, so that was kind of nice of her as a best friend.
Yes.
Yeah. So why are you here now that you know how to do it? What can we do for you?
I'm here because I had sex with her cousin.
Oh! You slut! Okay. Why? I'm teasing.